yung kanilang disiplina with their execution and their the way they play every possession. Nakita natin in the first half. One of the best in the South Division, one of the best in the league at the moment.
Harold pressuring JP Belenchon. Harold with another rebound. Pushes to Quicote. Fortea on the corner is good. Terrence gets the rebound. Numbers for San Juan. Balik kay Fortea. Wing 3 is good once again for Terrence Fortea. Terrence Fortea, one of the best shooters coming off the University of the Philippines. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL.
Sabi ko na nga ba, tatlo na yan galing kay Terrence Fortea.
Hindi, pero ang lalim nito eh. Who are the steam seat? Ako dito? Low-key. Yung Pat Buena ang Phoenix.
I know you weren't here last season, but did you know that Jeff Manday scored 28 of a possible 34 in one round last season? Nakakapagod kasi yan eh. Unless yung tira tulad yung sa'yo.
Mabilisan lang.
Mabilisan lang.
Which, feeling ko yung Mix Pascual, ganun-ganun ang tira nun. Pero maraming hindi mo pwedeng maliitin dyan eh. No pun intended.
John Ashley Fowl.
Ako, JR Oligario.
Nung pinost yan sa Facebook, nakita ko eh. Felipe Chavez, JR Chavez is Alarcon.
Sumubok. Kasi Mentes para kay Harold.
That's why they are there, because I think there is a bit of an intrigue. It's an intriguing prospect to watch them play one-on-one. As Harold Alarcon knocks down that one dribble pull-up, magagawa nila in that setting.
Well, sa August 29, magkakaalaman po tayo. Sama-sama tayo dyan sa Montalban Rizal. Dylan Darvin all the way for LA.
Ang ganda nun yung one-on-one. I have a feeling that is going to be a blockbuster.
And I have a feeling that it's going to be the start of something special.
Kasi, look at that. Harold Alarcon knocks down that jumper. 10 points na para kay Harold.
Porang last team niya under Coach Alex, and he's now back with the Knights under the same coach. After 1 month of rest due to knee sprain, mas malaki daw ang motivation niya para bumalik.
I want to be surprised, for that one.
I'm sure that it's going to be exciting on August 29. Patrick Beltran gets the putback. The triple OG Knights in Wamar, Soberano, and Calisaan all together on the floor. Turnover yan para kay AC.
Minsan lang ako. Minsan nagtatago ako.
Kapag naka-shorts. kasi si Sir Saldi, kahit naka-shorts, maganda pa rin yung formahan eh. Kulang na lang, lagyan ng gitara. www.sportsplus.ph. Calisaan gets the bump, the basket, and the bonus. Pass coming from Patrick Sleep.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ko na alam. But I will stand my ground and say that JR Oligario is still my vote. Patrick Sleep. No look pass to AC Soberano who gets the 3. Bago na naman niya ang kulay na itong si Patrick eh.
Oo, laging in-express yung sarili niya to his hair. What about Calma, who has been... si Calma.
7 points and 4 rebounds para dito kay Calma. Already above his averages of just 3 a ball game. Already doubling it. Calisaan, just too long and too strong. 7-second differential between shot clock and game clock. Ferrer, one-on-one, try to muscle through and finds a way. It's Patrick Ferrer.
He was so crafty with that finish right there.
Sorry, Christian Ferrer. That is Boral. Right at the nick of time. Hitting the basket.